Is what C1 also can access static variable. C2 also can access static variable. Yeah. Remember, static variables are also called as a class variable. Remember exactly, and do you remember I told any changes made to static variable, any changes made to static variable, any changes that are made to static variable, the changes will affect entire class. The changes will affect entire class. Yeah. So it is simply like this. Yeah. There is one TV. There is one TV. Can I call TV as static? Can I call TV as static? Yes. Right now. Yeah. Star Mark channel is running. Your brother, your sister, or your papa, mama, all are there. Your mother will change the channel from Star Mart to ETV. We change the channel from Star Mart to ETV. What are you seeing? What your brothers or sister is seeing? What is your father is seeing? Which TV? Come on. Answer. ETV. Very good. Now your father, now your observe now. First what happened? After this line, semicolon. After this line, next line. C1 dot enrollment. C1 dot enrollment. First object is accessing. C1 dot enrollment equal to 100. Remove 0. Provide 100. Remove 0. Provide 100. Remove 0. Provide 100. Oh, okay. Means your mother took the remote, changed it to ETV. Right now, everyone is ETV. Yes, I'll agree. Hey, hold on. After executing this line, now JVM is an interpreter, remember? And JVM executes line by line. JVM is an interpreter. JVM executes line by line. Yeah. JVM executes line by line. So C1 dot enrollment equal to 100. Well, I agree, but hold on. Now after executing this line, now JVM will execute this line. C2 dot enrollment is equal to 200. Now what happened? Your papa took the remote. Your father took the remote, changed the channel from ETV to let us say Star Sports. Change the channel to Star Sports. Now you, your brother, sister, mother, which channel are you seeing? Star Sports. Now observe. T2 dot enrollment equal to 200. Oh, enrollment, static variable, only one copy. Everyone is using the same copy. Oh, C1 also uses the same variable. C2 also will use the same variable. C2 dot enrollment equal to 200. Remove 100. Put to 200. Done now. Now. You are also watching Star Sports. Mother is also watching Star Sports. Now observe. T1 dot enrollment. What is the output? T1 dot enrollment. What is the output? Latest value. What is the latest value that you are seeing? Let me put 100. From that time I am telling here, your mother changed it to ETV. I'll agree. But after ETV, ETV, I'll agree. Mother changed the channel to ETV, I'll agree. But immediately after ETV, father changed ETV to Star Sports. I'll agree. C1 changed the value to 100. But immediately C2 changed the value to what? 200. So now C1 dot enrollment 200. C2 dot enrollment T2 dot enrollment also 200. Very good. Now observe. System dot out dot println 200 plus 200. What is the output? 400. Yes. So what is the output? Which is the correct answer? Change in output. Text E for Java prints 400. 400. This is what I told in the previous classes. If one copy belong to the entire class, anyone changes, it will affect the whole class. Yeah. If you had listened to the class very carefully, this question would be very easy. Write it. Write the question and explain with example. Make it quick. It is changed. Very important. Anyone want to log out from the class, log out. But you will be missing lot of topics today. Anyone who feel that, hey, this and that, class names are used on. Class names are used on. Static members. Last class concept. This was the concept in the last class. Static members are used on. Class names are used on static member. But here. Am I using class name to call, using class name to call non-static member, using class name to call non-static member. Is this possible? Can I use a class name to call static member? No, wrong. You cannot call. Non-static members are always called through. Non-static members are always called through object. Correct answer. What is the answer? Error. Answer is error. Why error? Reason I have written here, error. Using class name to call non-static member. That is the error. Oh, zero I'll get that. Like default values are applicable only. Even this simple question also, many people you wrote wrong answer. Do you know that? This simple question also, many people you chose wrong answer. This shows how much level of preparation you are doing. This question also people are doing wrong. Garbage value is applicable only for global variable. And in the question, you know, I gave local variable. I only gave name as local variable. Oh, not initialized, but still using error. Error is the right answer. Reason, because local variable not initialized. That is the correct answer. Garbage values are applicable. Garbage value applicable only for global variables. Answer, correct answer is error because local variables are not initialized. Fast, write it. You have to write it in your book. Become perfect in what you have learned. It is not about how much you have learned. It's about what you have learned. Are you perfect in that? Sir, default value error. Who told default value error? Exception I did not teach you only. So obviously this option will never come into our picture only. Exception we did not even start. So obviously this is wrong answer. Zero, wrong answer. Garbage value, wrong answer. Compile error is the correct answer. What is exception on? That is the end of core Java. Char batch. If local local variable is present in user method. Like that and all not there. Local variable is applicable for main method also. I never said only for user method. It is applicable for any method. Okay, let us see. Add public wherever necessary. Okay, for this variable I wanted public. Is it point number 1? Is it a non-static variable? Yes, it is a non-static variable. Point number 1, it is a non-static variable. Perfect. Point number 2. Yeah. Let us see. Non-static variable means do I need object? Non-static variable means do I need object? Yes, object is required. Sum class A1 is equal to new sum class. Okay. Class name only sum class. Class name itself is sum class. First job of new. First job of new. Here. Slowly, slow and steady. First job of new. Create an object. Second job of new. Load all the non-static member. Non-static member character batch is equal to A. Okay. Batch value A. Last job of new operator. Return the address. Address is stored in a variable A1. Okay. This object address is stored in a variable A1. Correct? Is this line executed? Yes. That line is executed. Let us go. System.out. Slow and steady. System.out.println. Before. Okay, print before. Colon. Okay, colon. Space. Okay, there is a space. Okay, space. Plus the word joining, concat, joining. Okay. A1 dot batch. A1 dot batch. A. Done. Over. This line is over. Next line. Sum class A2 is equal to new sum class. Oh, am I creating another object, guys? Am I creating another object? Yeah. I'm creating another object. Yeah. First job of new. Another object. First job of new. Create an object. Second job of new. Load all the non-static member. Load the non-static member batch. Okay. Batch. New operator, last job, give the address. Address is stored in A2. Address is stored in A2. Okay. Address is stored in A2. Yeah. A2 dot batch equal to B. A2 dot batch. Any changes made to non-static variable. Will it affect whole class? Will it affect all objects? Will it affect only the same object? Remember, I gave an example, mobile. You also have a mobile. Father also has a mobile. Mother also has a mobile. If you change the wallpaper, it will affect only your mobile, not other mobiles. Correct? Remember that example? Yes. Now tell me, am I changing A2 dot batch? Only A2. Oh, okay. only A2 dot batch. Remove A. Store B. Okay. Remove A, store B. Done. Got it. Will this changes? Will this changes? Will this changes affect A1? Will this changes affect A1? Yes or no? No, no, no. Super answer. Answer is no. Now let us write. Let us see this output. System dot out dot println after. Okay. After colon one space. Oh, there is a space. Plus join. A1 dot batch. Okay. Join A1 dot batch. A1 dot batch. Output is still. Output is still A. Hey, B now. Why not B? Guys, why not B here? Why not B here, sir? We did not change it to B for A1. The change happened only for A2. That is why output is not B. Correct. Yes. Many people gone wrong here. Many people have gone wrong in this question. Problem. Patience not there. You don't have patience to analyze. You don't have. Only very few people have done the correct answer. Very few people. Yeah. This is the right answer. Explain fast. 2 minutes time. Make it quick. Object. Did I do the reinitialization for the second object? Yes, I did the reinitialization for the second object. Yeah. Yes. But did it affect the first object? Will it affect the first object? No. Super. You should analyze each and every line. That much level patience should be there for analyzing. Next question. So is B is the correct option? Is B the correct option? Yes, B is the correct option. B is the correct option. Oh, okay. Next one. Oh, challenging, very challenging, very challenging. Class cricket. Integer runs. Point number 1. Is it a non-static variable? Yes. It's a non-static variable. Non-static variable. Perfect. Let us do next one. Cricket C1 is slow, very slow. Focus. Very important. I am here in this line. Cricket C1 is equal to new cricket. First job of new. Create an object. Okay. Second job of new. Load all the non-static. What's the non-static member? What is the non-static member? Runs. Run is a non-static member. What is the default value? 0. What is the default value? 0. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. 0. Okay. Give the address. Address is stored in a variable. Address is stored in a variable C1. Correct? Address is stored in a variable C1. Yes. Go to next line. Go to next line. C1 dot runs is equal to 250. Okay. C1 dot runs equal to 250. C1 dot runs is equal to 250. Perfect. Is this line understood? Is this line understood? Is this line understood? Yes. Go to next line. Go to next line. Go to next line. Yeah. Cricket C2. Whoa. I have a question. I have a question here. Listen to my question and answer. Did I create object or create only object reference variable? For this line, I will give you two options. You tell me which is the correct answer. Option number 1. Did I create object or create object reference variable? Which is the right answer? Which is the right answer? First one or second one? Super. Second answer. Second answer. Create object reference variable. Super. Okay, done. I created object reference variable. Means are you saying that I created only a reference variable C2? Yes. I created a reference variable C2, only C2. Is there an object in C2? Right now, is there an object in C2? No. Very good answer. No. Next line. Now let us go to next line. Now go to next line. Understand the next line. You already know whenever there is equal, execution will happen first. Execution will happen first where? Execution will happen first where? Right hand side. First right hand side, then to the left hand side. Right hand side to left hand side. Right hand side to left hand side. Yeah. What is in C1? Only focus. What is in C1? What is in C1? What is in C1? What is inside C1? I did not ask you what is inside runs. I asked you what is inside C1. C1. Object address. What is in C1? Object address. Object address. Exactly. Object address is there. That object address assigned to C2. Oh, okay. Object address assigned to C2. This object address is copied to C2. C2 will also have the object address. Same object address. Same object address. I'll repeat again, don't worry. Same object address. Meaning one object having how many reference variable? One object having how many reference variable? Two reference variable. Yeah. Same object can be accessed through what and what? Same object can be accessed through what? Same object can be accessed through C1 also, C2 also. Awesome. C1 and C2, do they have same address? C1 and C2, do they have same address? C1 and C2, do they have same address? Yeah. Can I say something like this? One house, two keys are there, two duplicate. Our houses and all will have duplicate keys. Does our houses have duplicate keys and all? Does our bike have duplicate keys and all? Remember that? One bike having 2-3 keys are there. Yeah. Means, can I start my bike using the first key? Can I start the bike using the second key also? Yes. You can have n number, no limitation. No limitation. Maximum n number. Go to next line. Go to next line. Now go to next line. Now go to next line. Yeah. C2 dot runs. C2 dot runs. C2 dot runs equal to 300. C2 dot runs equal to 300. C2 dot runs equal to 300. Oh, okay. C2 dot runs equal to 300. C2 dot runs. C2. Go to object. Runs. Remove 250. Store 300. Done. System dot out dot println runs equal to, okay, runs equal to plus concat C1 dot runs. What is C1 dot runs? C1 dot runs. Oh, 300. Oh, okay. C1 dot runs 300. So new cricket is missing. It means what? I did not create object. Yes. This variable without object. Yes. Can we create only reference variable without object? Yeah. Good. Is this line understood? Did I create a reference variable without object? Did I create a reference variable without object? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Yeah. Now go to next line. C2 equal to C1. Always remember, first always. Right hand side executed, then give it to the left hand side. This is the golden rule in Java. Remember always. Execution always happens from right hand side to the left hand side or storing. You know this. Equal is used for storing. Storing what? Oh, C1. Whatever is there in C1, store it in C2. God. Whatever is there in C1, store it in C2. What is there in C1? Object address. Oh, object address is there. That object address, give it to C2. Copy it to C2. Copy and give it to C2. Same address is copied to C2. Same address is copied to C2 means C2 also will refer to the same object. C2 also will refer to the same object. It is something like your house. This is your house. Okay. In your college form, address field you will have filled. Address field, forget about college form. Aadhaar will take. In Aadhaar card, same address is there. Suppose if you have voter ID, in voter ID also same house address is there. Suppose if you have a passport, in passport also same address is there. Correct? For Aadhaar separate house. For voter ID separate house. For passport separate house. Three houses you have built. For 3 proofs you have built 3 houses. No, right? In all the three proofs, what is there? In all the 3 proofs, what is there? Same address. Very good. Like that. Like that. Like that. What is in C1? What is inside C1? Same. What is in C2? Same address. Is this line understood? Is this line understood? Yes. Go to next line. Go to next line. Go to next line. C2 dot runs. Oh, C2 dot runs. Use a C2 address. C2 address, same address. Okay. Go to same address. Runs. Do what? Remove 250. Store 300. Store 300. Store 300. Super, super. Yeah. Reinitializing. Exactly. Now go to next line. Now go to next line. Runs equal to C1 dot runs. Oh, output. Runs equal to C1 dot runs. What is in C1? C1, C1. C1 dot runs 300. 300. అర్థమైందా? Shall we go to next question? Oh, overloading, overloading, overloading. Add public wherever you want. I told already, I gave already question. Wherever you want public, add it. Okay. Public index. Public into I. Okay. Public void. Okay. Bacha questions. All these are very bacha questions. 10 minutes is enough to for this entire question paper. Maximum 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes enough. Yeah. Nothing will happen. It's okay. If you don't add public also okay. But I told for your understanding purpose, I told add public wherever you want. Here. So that you will have, at least so that you will not get confused. That's all the reason. Okay, done. Whoa. Public void add. Public void add. Different arguments. Did I do overloading? Did I do overloading? Did I do overloading? Yes. Static methods are overloaded or non-static methods are overloaded? Non-static methods are overloaded. Non-static methods are overloaded. Non-static methods are overloaded. Super. Okay, let us see why take tension. Execution always starts from main method. Execution always starts from main method. Overload obj equal to new overload. First job of new. Create an object. Second job of new. Load all the non-static members. Load X 0. Why 0? Default value. Thank you so much. Why? Y value also 0. Oh, okay. Y value also 0. Okay. Public void add method with integer argument. Okay. Public void add method with integer argument A. Public void add and open the method, have some instruction, close them. Public void add integer a comma b. Okay. Public void integer a comma integer b. Okay. Give the address. Give the address. Address is stored in a variable obj. Address is a very easiest question of all. Obj. Line 1 executed. Int a is equal to 0. Local variable. Oh, variable created inside a method. Variable created inside a method. Local variable. Local variable a. Okay. Obj dot add 6. Okay, fine, no problem. Obj dot add 6. 6. Is there an add method with one argument? Is there a add method with one argument? Is there a add method with one argument? Yes, 6. 6 will go. Sit in the argument a. A value. This is argument a. Oh, this is local variable a. Local variable a is different. Argument a is different. Oh, 6. Enter inside. First always execute. Right hand side. A 0 or 6. A 0 or 6. That is where the confusion. 6 local variable, you cannot use it in another method. Exactly correct. Local variable, you cannot use it in another. Oh, then which A this is? This is then which A? Argument A. Oh, this A is argument A 6. Plus 1. How much? 6 plus 1, how much? 7. Give it to x. Give it to x. X value became 7. X value became 7. Go to next line. System.out.println obj dot x. What is the output? 7 is the right answer. First, do it. First, explain. Write the program and explain. Make it quick. Write down and understand. Confuse you. This line in interviews, this is how they give you. In interview, purposefully they'll write some line to confuse you. So check whether do you have the clarity on the concept. This line is given to confuse you. It is just a local variable. Ignore it. Yeah. Obj dot add of 6. Oh, 6 will go sit in the argument A. This only. 6 will go sit in the argument A. A value 6. Enter. A 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Assigned to x. Hey, which x? Object is there now. Non-static variable x. Oh, x. 6. Sorry, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. Go to next line. system.out.println obj.x, obj.x 7. Done now? Yeah. So I'll stop it for today. Tomorrow we'll continue.